Okay, so I'm going to do the frame path attack demonstration first. So you go to, this is what my files look like. Arcan4 and then frame path attack, and you have iframed and parent in there. And iframed looks like this. It sets the cookies, and it says cookie 1 is equal to value 1, and it sets the path. And so this is just some print stuff. And so then when I go visit, well, first I have to clear my history. Where are the cookies? Excuse me. And so I'll clear that. And when I load this up, the cookie gets set. And on the other page, I have it saying cookies from iframe, and then it prints the cookies, and it gets the cookies based on this iframe. And so now I'll go over here and print it, and sure enough, we have the cookies.